solve x squared minus y equals 3, 2x plus y equals 5. When we look at this system of equations, we notice that we have a y term in the first equation, a y term in the second equation, and their coefficients are opposites. So if we add these together, the y terms would be eliminated and we would just have an equation in x. So let's do that. Let's add, and it would give us x squared plus 2x plus 0y equals 8. And by adding, we actually eliminated the y's and we have a quadratic equation in x. Subtracting x from both sides, we can now solve for x and then go back and solve for y. Factoring, we would have x plus 4 times x minus 2 equals 0. When x plus 4 equals 0, x equals negative 4. And when x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. Now we have to substitute when x is negative 4. What is y? Well, we would have, from the first equation, we would have negative 4 squared minus y equals 3, or 16 minus y equals 3. So y would be 13. And that gives us one value, one solution, negative 4, 13. When x is 2, we know then that x squared, which is 2 squared, minus y equals 3, or 4 minus y equals 3, or y equals 1. And that gives us a second order pair. So we can state that the solutions to the system are the two ordered pairs that we found. The solutions are negative 4, 13 and 2, 1.